What's up, guys, and welcome to the video. Today, as you know, for the first time in a long time, I've got an opportunity to, I got some time to chill. I'm a little bored, so I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna apply the tint strip to my windshield, the permanent sun visor. No more the flip downs getting in your way, all that stuff. During the, end of fall, beginning of winter, the sun, in the sky, the angle was not really in any place of hindrance when driving, so it was like it didn't bother me. But getting here in early January, the sun's starting to change positions in the sky, and it's coming right back at me again when driving during the day. Even though I got the 50% windshield, 50% is not enough to block sun rays coming straight in your car. So I'll usually drive with sunglasses on if it's that bad. But with the sun visor, it'll help out a lot. So we're gonna apply that today. This is the best mod I can recommend for you. Even if you don't have side tinted windows, I do recommend you go into a local tint shop between 20 and 50 bucks. They'll give you a sun visor. A permanent sun visor is probably one of the best things you can do, even if you don't have any other tint on your car, because it really will help you with the dangerous sun glare and sun rays coming in right in your eyes, and it will help out a lot. But like I said, this is the first time in a long time I've had time to just chill, hang out, and other stuff like that. So upcoming weeks here, now that all the holidays are done and birthdays are done, we're gonna have a lot of content for you guys. If you guys like the content that's coming at you, now and previously, so say thank you guys for the support. It means a lot. And let's get out there and get to this sun visor installation. As you can see here, here's the side, 5% on the side, and the windshield 50. I'll close this up, show you real quick. I'll show you this first. Here's what it looks like with no visor in there at all, right at the top. It's all just 50% windshield. Here's a good representation, 5%, no tint, and 50%. So there's a good look for you there. There, the visor's all wrapped up. But even with the door closed, you can see the dome lights on. It'll go off here in a second. Boom. Gone. Can't even see in there at all. That steering wheel's gone. And there's 5% sides, 20% on the back. I might redo this sometime because no one does this with the third brake light out, so I want to be different. But now it just I don't know if I like it anymore. I might switch it out, I might not. Time will tell on that one. But yeah, the car's pretty much tinted shut. That's for sure. But here we're going to apply the sun strip on the car, and it'll help out a lot while driving, and it will make the car a little bit more cozy inside, because obviously you're removing more light from entering the car, so that'll be nice. Set the camera up over here. I'll show you the process real quick, and then should be a quick install. Sun bars are like cake, so let's get it done. Okay, as you can see, this sun bar here, you can tell, you push those out, it lays almost flat across. There's not really any of these big fingers in here at all. See, it pushes right out. So pretty much it'll be flat, and it'll sit in there just fine. So we don't have to do any shrinking of this. Pretty much gonna get inside, clean it off, and apply it. It's easy as that, and as I said, it's a quick install. Setting it up like that on the windshield took me 3 minutes, and this will take me 2 to clean it, because if you have a tinted windshield, you kind of have to clean a little bit less, because dust doesn't like to stick to tint as much as it does to glass for some reason. I don't know, I've never had a problem with tinting over tint as much as I've had tinting over regular glass. More dust seems to show up on glass than tint, so I don't know. But I just had luck with that. Maybe not for you guys out there, but wow, that's dark just sitting up there already. But we are going to, I guess we'll take this mirror off. Ooh. The amount of times I've taken that mirror off is crazy. But here's the inside here. You're gonna spray her down. Because you can't razor blade tint. If you're tinting over tint, you can't use razor blade to clean. So you're gonna have to clean it as good as you can with a squeegee. And here we are, guys. We are done. It did take a little bit of creativity because on the pattern, last time I had the sun bar, it stops here at the end of this dot matrix, and I wanted it a little bit lower. And obviously, I knew we're gonna hit this spot for the mirror, but we got a little bit creative here, and see if you can see it on the front. Probably not, but at the mirror here. Well, you kind of can see it. That light wasn't there. Around the mirror, I cut it. I just cut it so it went through, and I was able to put it, right there where the mirror is. But I applied yet more tint to this car. If I ever traded in, the people would be like, "What the?" Which will be, it'll be funny. But I do love the tint, and I do love all the aspects of it. But as you can see now. 5% on top of 50, then 5, 50, 20 in the rear. I've got tint on every window of this car. Might as well tint my mirrors. I'll show you what it looks like from the inside. And here we are. Here is the finished sun bar in the car here. So you've got, that. So when you're driving, the sun coming in at your eyes will definitely be blocked. A sun bar or a sun visor, permanent sun visor. A lot of things planned, new vehicles, like I said in the last video, to come, and it'll be a wild, wild ride. I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the support. If you enjoy my content and enjoy the video, shoot me a big thumbs up. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Peace. Alright guys, welcome back to Columbus here. We are, I'm going to show you the final product of this visor that I tinted up there, and how it'll actually look during what's kind of the day. We're running out of light here, but obviously 5% over 50, 50% windshield, 5% sides. This is about 2.5%. Still debating whether I want to do another strip over this, but I'm going to wait till spring or summertime when the sun is a little more prominent, coming in the car and hitting me directly in the eyes. But this is arguably one of the best mods you can do to your car. Permanent visor, quick tint, cheap to get done, and it will protect you so much in the summer. Even if you're used to wearing sunglasses during the day while driving, it is one of the most It is one of the most impressive mods you could do to a car, and I recommend everyone do it of every age, at least the sun visor, because it helps out a ton. So I want to say thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and please click subscribe. Stay tuned for a lot of videos coming soon. 2018 is going to be big, like I said. So thank you guys for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.